Now my dear students, we can go to the question number 10. Here question number 10, some reactions of amines are given. Which one is not correct? A part CH2 twice N, benzene plus NaNO2 HCl. Here you can see when this NaNO2 HCl is reacts with each other to form HNO2 nitrous acid and this HCl, you can form it. This nitrous acid, my dear students, is reacts with this dimethyl aniline. You can see here in this dimethyl aniline, no hydrogen atoms are present. Here NH2 hydrogen atoms are present. That's why this NH2 group reacts with this HNO2 and HCl and form a benzene diazothium chloride. But my dear students, here in this reaction, you can see two hydrogen atoms are replaced by the methyl group. That's why you can see this is the tertiary amines. And in this tertiary amines, when HNO2 is reacts, here when this HNO2 is reacts in presence of this HCl, nitroso compounds are formed. Here you can see the nitroso compound is formed. Here N, CH3, CH3 and N double bond O. This compound is nitroso compound. Tertiary amines always reacts with this HNO2 to form nitroso compound. So my dear students, here this reaction is not occur. So question is that one not correct. Here this is a question not correct. So this reaction is not correct. So you can go the question number 10, A option is the correct answer. Now we can discuss the option B. When this HNO2 reacts with aliphatic amines, here you can see the nitrogen replaced in the form of nitrogen and here OH is attached this carbon atom, that's why ethanol is formed. This is the correct answer. Here methylamine reacts with benzene, CH5SO2Cl, benzene sulfonyl chloride to give N-methyl sulfonamide. This is also correct answer with primary amine. Now secondary amine reacts with this NaNO2HCl. Secondary amine is also formed, my dear student, nitrosamine. Here this is aliphatic amine and it is a tertiary amine, but it is a aromatic amine. This part is attached with this aryl group. So behavior of this amine is a aromatic. If tertiary amine means aliphatic tertiary amine is reacts with this NO2 to form salts. So answer is A. Question number 10, answer is A. Now my dear students, we can go to the question number B. Question number 11. Now my dear students, we can go to the question number 11. Question number 11, which of one of the following compound is most basic? Here my dear students, basicity of amines are most important for need point of view. Here my dear students, what is the concept of this question? Because these are the aryl amine and you know very well aryl amines are the weaker amines or than aliphatic amines. And in this aryl amines, when any electron attracting group or electron withdrawing group is attached, for example NO2. NO2 group is a electron withdrawing group, means it accepts the electrons. This NO2 group accepts the electrons. When my dear student this accept the electrons, so this lone pair of electrons, density of this lone pair of electrons are decreases on the nitrogen atom, because this lone pair of electrons go to the benzene and present in ortho and para position. When it is present on this para position, this electron pair attack this NO2 group and this electron density is created. So this electron pair not quickly present on this reverse in nitrogen atom. So electron density of nitrogen atoms decreases when any electron withdrawing group is attached with this aniline. Now other side, when we see the aniline, here this is the electron pair and we can here attach the methyl group, means methyl group is the electron donating group. Here this electron donating group means methyl group or alkyl group repel this bond pair of electrons. Because my dear students, methyl group repel the bond pair of electrons, so this electron, when electrons are come in the benzene, this benzene is accept these electrons, and when these electrons are go to in para position, then due to the repulsion of this methyl group, electrons are move towards the ortho position. So, in this way you can get the electron density on nitrogen atom in many times or more times. So, nitrogen when this electron donating group is attached with this aniline, basicity of aniline increases. Here basicity increases, and here these groups are decreases the basicity. In this way, I give you two example 1 and 2, and by this example we can solve this question. Which of the following compound is most basic? Here answer is not a here question is not a least basic, question is the most basic. So, my dear students, most basicity is increases by the electron donating group. So, you can go to the answer A, because here I see the NO2 group, and NO2 group is a electron withdrawing group. So, it is a decrease the basicity, but question is most basic. So, this is not a answer, question number A is not answer, because question is most basic and it's decrease the basicity. Now, we can go the B part. Here, my dear students, when we go to the B part, here B, CH3, CH2 and H2. Here you can see this methyl group is present between this aryl group. So, this methyl group repel the electrons, one pair of electrons. So, these electrons are not come in the benzene ring. So, it increases the basicity, means it increases the basicity. Now, we can go to the C option. Here, my dear students, this nitrogen atom directly attached with this carbon atom. So, this nitrogen atom electron go to in the benzene ring. So, it decreases the basicity. Now, we can see here aniline, these lone pair electrons go in the ring. So, basicity is also decreases. Here, my dear students, only one B option which increases the basicity. So, in this 4 option, most basic is the answer is B, okay, because question is that which of the following compound is most basic, then answer is B, and this question is asked in NEET 2011. Now, my dear students, we can see the question number 12. Match of the compounds given in list 1 with their characteristic reactions given in list 2. Select the correct options. Here we can see that list 1 compound A, B, C and D. Here this compound A, it is a primary amines, 1 degree amine. Here 1 degree amines give the carbylamine reaction with KOH, alcohol and chloroform. Oh, so you can go the number 2, because primary amines means RNH2 when reacts with alcoholic KOH and chloroform to give RNC plus thrice KCl here plus thrice H2O. Here, my dear friends, it is called, this compound is called alkyl isocyanide, and this compound is a bad smelling compound. It is also called carbylamine. So, this reaction is called carbylamine reaction. My dear students, this reaction only given by primary amines, not other compounds. So, we can distinguish primary amine and other substances by this reaction. So, here we can see the primary amines in this list. A go to 2. Now, we can see the B part. Here we can see the B part, my dear students. Here you can see this is acidic hydrogen atom is present, because when you can see the CH3 C triple bond CH group is present, and this group is present in any alkynes, then hydrogen atom is a acidic, and this acidic hydrogen atom gives us tolerance test, TR, Fehling solution test, or decolorise the bromine water. 3 tests are there, my dear students. Here we can see This test gives white precipitate with ammonical silver nitrate solution, means it is called tolerance reagent test. So, B part go to the third, list number 3 reaction. So, you can see here A go to 2, it may be, but B go to 1, it is not. A go to 3, not. A go to 2, yes, and B go to 3. Yes, this is the answer. Means answer is C. Now, my dear students, this question is also asked in NEET 2010 exams. That's why it is an important question, and you can see in these questions different reactions. If you have learned different reaction, then these questions are easy for you. Here number 1, you know the carbylamine reactions. Number 2, you know the acidic nature of alkynes. Number 3, you know the alkaline hydrolysis of esters here. So, this is give us alkaline hydrolysis. C for 1, and you know the test of Lucas reagent, LR. With Lucas reagent, cloudiness appears after 5 minutes. You know this test because it is a secondary alcohol. So, you know the name of the reaction as well as test as well as different reaction in different products, in different compounds. So, you can solve this question easily. Now, my dear friends, next question is predict the compound or product. Here, this is the secondary amine, my dear students. NHCS3 reacts with NaNO2 and HCl. When Na2 and HCl are formed, it gives us HNO2. My dear students, why this NaNO2 HCl are always taken in reactions? We cannot take directly this HNO2 nitrous acid. This is also a concept. Because nitrous acid is easily oxidized. Nitrous acid is easily oxidized in HNO3, nitric acid. Nitrous acid is easily oxidized to nitric acid. That's why we always freshly prepared this nitrous acid. Here, my dear students, this is the secondary amine. And in secondary amine, when reacts with this nitrous acid, this H and O compound is formed first of all, and you can get this NCS3 and this is the OH. This compound is formed, OH group is attached with this nitrogen atom, means oxygen atom is attached with this oxygen atom and form OH due to this nitrous acid, because it is a secondary amine. So, you can see the compounds here. This A option, NO2 is attached with this nitrogen, it is not. Here this NHCS3 and NO2. NO2 means nitrosyl group attached in this electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution is not done in this secondary amine with this HNO2 group, because it is a basic nature and it is a acid, and this acid and base is always formed salt. So, my answer is, you can go to the answer C, question number 13. Now, my dear students, when you go the question number 13, this NHCS3 secondary amine, you can form this NOHCS3, and after this compound, this is your unstable compound, and after this unstable compound, it is also converted into the stable compound, and this stable compound is this is NCS3 here, and this O group, this hydrogen goes to the solution and this oxygen is present in this nitrogen atom. So, final compound is the nitroso group which is attached with this compound, and I give you reaction in this way. You form the OH group, and this OH group is further reacts with HNO2 group, and this OH is reacts with this HNO2 group and form the nitrosoamine. Here you can form the nitrosoamine NCH3 and N double bond O. So, this is the unstable compound. So, you cannot go the answer C, you can go the answer D. So, it is a very important reaction. You must be learn this reaction. You can form these salts, and when you can form the salts, means this is reacts with further acids. This is the further reacts with this acid, with this base, and this OH group is replaced. This whole OH group is replaced. I can further react in this form, and OH and CH3, this is unstable, and this is reacts with HNO2. This reacts with HNO2 and form this N-nitrosoamine. So, answer is this N-nitrosoamine, because it is a acid. This is further reacts with this acid, and this OH group is removed from this H plus ions and form and evolve these water molecules and form this NCH3NO. So, if you have C and D option, you can go the final option, that is D is the final NCH3NO. If this option is not present here, but this is unstable. So, my dear students, unstable compound is not right. You always get the stable compound in your options. So, do not worry, my dear students. This is very important reactions, because secondary amine reacts with HNO2. Here, if you can get the RNH2, RNH and R dash with this HNO2, directly HNO2, this hydrogen atom is replaced directly by the formation of this water molecule, and RNNO, R dash is formed. It is called nitroso oily liquid. Here, my dear students, you can see this is the basic reaction you have seen in your NCERT. Here you can see this R group is replaced by CH3 group. Here this R dash is replaced by this methyl group. So, reaction is same, but alkyl groups are different. So, you can finally you can get the NO group. You don't form the unstable compound and confuse. You can directly take this NO2 group, nitroso group with this nitrogen. Here you can see this nitroso group is directly attached with this nitrogen atom, because it's this one alkyl group here R dash, and here this is the R. Now, my dear students, this is question number 13. Now, my dear students, when we see the question number 14, the final product C obtained in this reaction. Here, this question is also asked in NEET 2003. This paramethylaniline is reacts with acetic anhydride AC2O. AC2O is the first step. Second step is Br2 and acetic acid, and third step is water and H plus ions. Here, my dear students, final product C, what is this? You can make the reactions. Here, when this NH2, CH reacts with acetic anhydride, CH3CO, OCO, CH3. Then you can see here this acetate ions, and here acylium ions are present. My dear students, in this hydrogen atom is replaced by this acetate ions and form the acetic acid. Here you can see the acetic acid is evolved by the formation of H plus ions and acetate ions. These acylium ions are attached on here this NH group, and you can see here the product is NH, CO, CS3, and CS3 is not affected by this acetic anhydride. Now, my dear students, when we react this reaction, this is the bromine Br2 in second step in acetic acid solution. We can see that two groups are present in this benzene, 1 and 1, 2. Here, my dear students, this group is more dominating factor than this group, methyl group. So, NHCOCH3 group, this ortho position is a electron density maximum ortho position of this group. So, Br bromonium ion electrophile attached on NH COCH3, these are attached on this ortho position bromine, and here you can see this type of compounds are formed. When, my dear students, when this compound is further, it is a first step, AC2O is a first step, this is called AC2O. AC2O is a first step, and second step is this bromine and acetic acid. Now, we can use the third step. This third step is water in presence of H plus ions. My dear students, when this water and H plus ions are hydrolyzed by this group, and you can get the H and OH. So, you can get the NH2 further and CS3, but bromine atom is attached with this, bromine atom is attached with this benzene. So, my dear students, you can see here, this is NH2, here you can see Br, here you can see CS3 group. So, my dear students, you can see answer C is the same, means product C is NH2 group and methyl group are present in this compound, and Br is bromine molecule is attached on the ortho position, because here NHCOCH3 group, amide group is predominant than the CH3 group methyl group. So, Br group bromonium ion is attached on the ortho position. This is the reaction of these conversions. Now, your answer is C, NH2, CH3 and Br. My dear student, this question is also asked in NEET 2003. Now, we can go to the question number, that is 15. My dear students, question number 15. Here, this is also a conversions, chloroform and QH. So, it is a Hofmann bromide reaction here, and you know very well, in Hofmann bromide reactions, when A is reduced to B, means this must be a amides. This must be amide, and this amide is converted into C. Now, we can see the reactions. My dear students, here reaction is that. When we can take the NO2 group, nitrobenzene, and when this nitrobenzene is reduced, then you can, this nitrobenzene is reduced of the reduction of nitrobenzene, you can get the this NH2 group, aniline, and aniline is a primary amine. Now, my dear students, here KOH is used with chloroform. When KOH is used with chloroform in Hofmann's bromide reaction, here KOH is used with bromine or chlorine, but here you can see the chloroform in second part, and when this chloroform is used with KOH, it is called carbylamine reaction, not Hofmann's bromide reaction, because Hofmann's bromide reaction KOH is used with chlorine or bromine. It is called carbylamine reaction. In this carbylamine reaction, my dear students, this reaction is only given by primary amines, and here you can see the primary amines are present. Here when this chloroform and KOH here, my dear students, chloroform and KOH reacts with this aniline to form, my dear students, CH5 and C compound, phenyl carbylamine compound or phenyl isocyanide. And when this compound is further reduced by hydrogen, my dear students, here hydrogen and hydrogen are attached. That's why you can get the secondary amine NCH3. This is called secondary amine. So, you can convert the primary amine into secondary amine by the reaction of chloroform KOH, get this CH5NC, and this compound is called C compound. And this is secondary amine is also called, my dear students, N-methyl, because here this methyl group attached by this nitrogen directly, so it is called N-methyl aniline. So, my dear students, it is called N-methyl aniline. Here this is the answer is B, nitrobenzene, because nitrobenzene in first step reduce, convert to aniline, aniline reacts with chloroform and KOH, convert to phenyl carbylamine or phenyl isocyanide C compound. Here this is your B compound, and when this C compound are reduced by hydrogen, hydrogens are attached to form secondary amine. It is also called N-methyl aniline. So, answer is a B. 15 answer, that is, my dear students, 15 answer is a B is the correct answer for this question. Now, we can take the question number 16. An aniline on nitration gives. My dear students, here aniline NH2 group is the ortho para directing group, because it is a ortho and para directing group. So, when nitration is done, NO2 group is present on this ortho and para position. Here NO2 group is present meta, so it is not correct, but it is present para, yes, and it is present ortho, yes. So, answer is both A and C. Now, my dear students, we can go to the question number 17. Which one of the following order is wrong with respect to the property indicated? Here, property, which property? It is a property of this basic strength or acidic strength. Here acid strength, here you can see the basic strength, and here you can see the acid strength. When you can see the acid strength, formic acid, acetic acid and propionic acid, it is a correct answer. So, but he want, please write the wrong order. Here, my dear students, we can select the wrong order. If you select the right order, then you can choose the wrong order also. Here acid strength, fluoro, chloro and bromo, it is also correct. This correct and this correct. So, both are not an answer. Here A and B, we can see the A and B, my dear students. Here we can see the A, benzoic acid, yes, correct, phenol and cyclohexanol, because my dear students, in cyclohexanol, you can see it's a less acidic, because resonance is not there, and phenol are the more acidic, because here resonance is there, lone pair electrons go in the benzene ring. So, it is a more acidic than this, and benzoic acid is a more acidic than phenol. So, we can see the acid strength is correct. So, answer is a B. You can go to the B answer. Here you can see aniline, cyclohexylamine. It is a cyclohexylamine, my dear students. Cyclohexylamine is the NH2 group, and here you can see the benzamide. And what is the benzamide? My dear students, benzamide is a CO NH2 group. Here you can see the resonance is occur in aniline, because resonance is present in aniline. So, lone pair electrons are entered in the ring. So, it is a less basic than cyclohexylamine because here no resonance are present. So, no resonance are present. So, cyclohexylamine is more basic than aniline. So, this is the answer. It is a wrong statement about basic strength. Now, my dear students, we can go to the question number 18. Which of the following will be the most stable diazonium salt Rn2 plus and X minus? My dear students, here this CH3 and 2X. Here in all these compounds, we can see here not directly this diazonium salt is not directly attached with this benzene ring. My dear students, concept is that when this diazonium salt is directly attached with benzene ring, then here you can see the double bond, single bond, double bond is present, means here resonance is occur. Here due to this resonance, my dear students, here due to this resonance, this benzene diazonium salt is more stable, or this one, or resonance is occur in this way. So, it's more stable benzene diazonium salt is more stable due to presence of resonance in benzene. So, my dear students, here this is the concept. Here you can see this double bond, single bond, double bond is present. That's why in this part resonance is occur. But when resonance is not occur, means that benzene diazonium salt are less stable. Here most stable diazonium salts he wants this question. So, here benzene is present on only B option, then you can go to the B option is the correct answer. Here benzene is also present, but benzene is directly not attached with this nitrogen atom. So, lone pair of electrons cannot go in the benzene ring. Here CH2 is present. So, it is a less stable. Here benzene ring is not present. So, these salts are less stable.